What's up, y'all? I'm back. It's Ryan with the MXG channel, and I'm here because I'm looking for some answers, and I know there's a lot of other people out there that are looking for some answers about the 701 and 690 Enduros from KTM and Husky. What is going on? We had an announcement. I dropped a video just about a week ago on how Gas, we know that Gas is going to be offering a 700 Enduro. You know, it's just a 690 KTM rebadged. But since then, some more developments are happening. There's rumors going around that dealers have been giving back deposits on the 701 Enduros and 690 Enduros. They've been telling customers that these bikes are discontinued. I've reached out to KTM and I haven't been able to verify that the bikes have been discontinued, but I can tell you this, our dealership didn't get allotted any 690 Enduros for this year, which was weird, and we did get allotted some 701 Enduros, but then that allotment was taken away. I've heard from multiple other dealers, seen people online saying that there's some other dealers that saying they were allotted as many as 7, 8, 9 of these Enduros, and then they were all taken away. So not sure what's going on. I've heard that could have been supply chain issues due to COVID, but there's also another theory out there. And if it's not supply chain issues, then we could have something going on where there's a new bike on the way, guys. And we've been pretty sure that there was going to be a 901 Enduro released. This would be the KTM 890 engine, but somehow they're going to fit this into an Enduro, and I'm not sure how. I'm interested in it. I think it would be cool, but I don't see how it could possibly perform from an Enduro standpoint, from a true dual sport, not adventure bike. I don't see how it could perform as well as the 690. I'm interested to find out. So kind of the theory we have here is that maybe the KTM 690 and Husky 701 is done, but the Gas 700, which is that same bike, will remain around for a year or two, kind of how the old generation Gas dirt bikes are remaining around after the new KTM and Husky comes out. If this is the case, then we could be looking at a new KTM and Husky 901 Enduro that'll be announced later this year and come out as a 2023 street model. So if any of you guys have any information, anybody knows anything about this, leave it down below. It's pretty exciting to think about. There's a bunch of people bummed out. A bunch of people had deposits down on a 2022 701 or 690 KTM. I think the 690 KTM, I think this bike is the ultimate do-it-all, the ultimate dual sport. It's a bike that with a few different bolt-ons, a few different mods or setups, you can survive some single track, you can have the world's best dual sport, or you can make it an adventure bike and go around the world. Super excited. I hope to be on a 690 myself one day, but it's just not in the cards right now. So by coming out with a new 901 Enduro in the KTM and Husky brands, but still offering the same older platform in the 690 as a gas that everybody loved, KTM is giving us the best of both worlds. And that's what we've had to praise KTM for this over the past decade or so, because if they do anything, they give the riders, they give the consumers options, and they push the envelope. So pretty exciting. If you know anything, if you talk to anybody, if you have any comments, questions, leave them down below. If you appreciate videos like this where we talk about kind of some of these industry conspiracy theories, then hit that red subscribe button. I want to earn your all subscription today. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys.